channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful jump ring earring. So stay tuned. Materials required are your chain nose plier, earring hook, jump ring and some seed beads. Open the jump ring and slide on your beads such that there is a gap to close back the jump ring. Here I am adding approximately around 6 to 7 beads. Make 20 of them, 10 each for one ear. Open the earring hook and add one jump ring to it. This is the pattern we will be making. You will need 2 head pins, some jump ring, I am using black one, 2 earring hook, some crystal beads which include picon beads, pair of chain nose plier, round nose plier and a flush cutter. Take a head pin and add your bicon bead followed by your pink crystal bead. Cut around 1 cm length using your flush cutters. Now use your round nose plier to make a loop. Take your open jump ring and add your dangling bead to it. You can keep it short by adding only one jump ring like so, or you can add multiple jump rings to the same. Please do like, share, comment below and also subscribe for more updates. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.